Hello everyone. Now we will do English grammar. In grammar we had completed till chapter number 14 and now we are going to start the new chapter, chapter 15, verbs. All of you know that what is the meaning of verb? Verb means doing words that we had done before also. Read the sentences given below. Meena goes to school every day. Birds fly in the sky. Babies cry when they are hungry. The words goes, fly and cry are doing words. They tell what Meena, birds and babies do. They are called verbs. So in these sentences we can see goes, fly and cry. These are the doing words. That word tells us what the persons means Meena, birds or babies what they are doing. And these type of words are called doing words, and in other sense we can say verbs. The word which tell us what a person, animal or thing does is known as a doing word or verb. जो वर्ड हमें कोई भी प्लेस, पर्सन और थिंग के बारे में बताता है तो वो वर्ड को हम वर्ब यानी कि डूइंग वर्ड्स कहते हैं. नाउ वी विल सी द एक्सरसाइजेस. In this question, we have to underline the verbs in these sentences. Here are some sentences and we have to underline the verb. Which word is verb, which word is doing word, we have to underline over there. First one, eat your breakfast quickly. So in this sentence, what is the verb? Do you understand? The word eat is a verb, means doing word. So we have to underline there. Now in second sentence, my sister sings well. So in this sentence, what is the verb? Sings. So here we will draw a line, sings. Then third one, the dog barks at night. The dog barks. So barks means this is the verb. So we can draw a line here. We have to draw a line. Children play in the park. Children play. So play is the verb. Then next sentence, I swim in the evening. I swim. So swim is the verb and we have to underline over there. Like this you have to do underline in all the words and you can do rest of the sentences also. Meena draws pictures. So what is the verb? Draws. Then father drives a car. Drives. So we have to underline drives. Grandma walks in the morning. Grandma walks. Walks is the verb. Fatima often helps me in the kitchen. So, helps. Helps is a verb. The lion roars when it is hungry. So the lion roars. Roars is a verb. So like this, these are the verbs. You have to underline below the verbs. Now we will do The next point, am is are. Read these sentences. I am a dancer. The dog is very active. The chairs are new. So these are the words am, is, are. These are also verbs. Now on the next page, the words am, is and are tell us what I am or the dog is or what the chairs are. They do not tell us what I, the dog and the chair are doing. Am, is, are also called verbs. Other similar verbs are was, were, shall be, will be and so on. So these are the verbs that we had seen: is, am, are, was, were, shall be, will be. These are also verbs. Verbs also tell us what a person, animal or thing is. Now we will see the next exercise. Underline the verbs in the following sentences. Monica is a good girl. What is the verb over here? Here it is. So we have to underline only is, not more than that. So only is. You have to underline only is. Meena and Veena are sisters. So what is the verb? Are. So here you have to underline are. The dress is gorgeous. So here also you have to underline is. Only is, nothing more than that. The baby is hungry. Here it is again is. Same way, Sachin is a good batsman. So Sachin is. So you have to underline is. Like this you can do all the rest of the sentences, and so these you can do by yourself. And now we will see the next verb, has and have. We had learned about has and have in the second class also. Now we will read the sentences. Mona has a new pen. We have a new pet. So here it is has and have. They are also verbs. The words has and have tell us what Mona and we have और possesses. मतलब have और has जो words है वो मोना के पास क्या है या हमारे पास क्या है तो वो हमें बताता है. They do not tell us what Mona and we are doing. इसमें मोना क्या कर रही है या हम क्या कर रहे हैं वो नहीं बता रहा है, पर हमारे पास क्या है तो उसके लिए जो वर्ड्स है that is has and have, that are also verbs. Has, have are also called verbs. Had is another verb of the same type. We had learned about has, have and of course had also, and these three words are also verbs. Verbs also tell us what a person, animal or thing has or possesses. Verb हमें ये भी बताता है कि किसी person, animal और thing के पास क्या है. Now we will see the next exercise. Underline the verbs again. Tanu has long hair. So, Tanu has. Here we have to underline has. Then second sentence, the doll has blue eyes. The doll has. Here also we have to underline has. Now on the next page, the children have new toys. Children have. Here we have to underline have. Then Monali has a new dress. Monali has. We have to underline has. Then Vani and Manu have a new friend. Vani and Manu have. So here we have to underline have. Like this you will complete the rest of the sentences by yourself. Has and have and of course had. These are the verbs that you can do by yourself. We have learned about verbs which have only one word. Now let us read some sentences where the verb is made of more than one word. अब हम देखेंगे कि कुछ वर्ब है जो एक वर्ड से नहीं, एक शब्द या एक वर्ड से नहीं होता है, पर दो वर्ड्स होते हैं कि वो पूरा वर्ब होता है. सो नाउ दैट वी विल सी अभी is playing in the park. So verb is playing made up of two words. See, we can't say only is or we can't say playing, but we have to say two words as a verb, is playing. The train will be reaching the station at 4 p.m. The verb will be reaching made up of three words. So these are the different types of words that also you have to remember. Now we will see exercise D. Underline the verbs in the following sentences. The stars are shining in the sky. Now that you know, are is the verb, but as well the shining is also a verb, so we have to underline both words are shining. So these are the verbs. We are doing our homework. So here we have to underline are doing. Both the word are verb. Then Vineet and Vishal are reading books. So here it is are reading. We have to underline are reading. These are the two words of verbs. Same here, my grandmother is walking in the garden. Is walking is the verb. Two words are there. Both are verbs. I am feeling hungry. So here I am feeling. So we have to underline am feeling. Like this you have to do rest of the sentence. Half of the sentence I had done, and now rest of the sentence you will do by yourself, and I will send the answer in Teno, the PDF file. So, and I hope you all understood about this verb, and you have to read this chapter and you have to complete till page number 53. You have to do exercises, exercise A, exercise B, C and D. So here you have to do exercise A, B, C, D. You have to complete in your textbook. So I hope all of you understood this chapter, and please complete your homework. Read this chapter and afterward you complete this homework. Thank you and have a nice day.